Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to use Miele T1 series tumble dryer. I had this tumble dryer for quite a few years now. So far so good. Height is about 86 centimeters. The width is about 56 centimeters. Standard size. First thing first, let's load up the machine. When we open it, you can see it's quite a big drum we can use. When I first bought it, Miele gave me a fragrance thing to make it smells nice. I prefer the green one or the ocean spray blue one, but I haven't used it for a long time. And also you can use shop bought ones, tuck it in. Both of them are good. It's rather cheap as well. Just put it in with your clothing or bedding. Miele ones cost about the liquid one, the little pots. I believe is around £10. This year is 2022. Okay, so today I did some washing. I did cotton. I'm going to show you roughly how to use this. Okay, get this in now. Well, that's you do. Firstly, before we close the door, let me quickly show you what it is. Okay. If you have the fragrance things from Miele, you just put it here. It's a little round thing because I don't have any. So this time I'm just gonna put it in. Okay. Just drop down, close the door. I don't use it. I normally leave it turned off. Machine on, which is located on the right hand side corner here. Then you realize it later up says extra dry, normal. We can change the settings if you want to. Hand eye, machine dry, extra dry. I normally leave it on hand eye because I very rare use it. When it's sunny, I prefer to hang outside. Now it's on this one. Because it's cotton, I'm gonna leave it on cotton. On this one, I realize the time changes as well. If you want it to be minimum I, even if it's cotton, I sometimes leave it on minimum I as well. So it does not tumble dry for too long, so it wouldn't come out really crispy. Or I can change it to be hand eye, normal. Just show you quickly. Normal hand eye. Okay. Oh. Okay. Or woolen hand care. If you change it to be warm air, it's only about 20 minutes. The lights will go off. Change it to be woolen and delicate. It's about 5 minutes. I wouldn't tumble dryer any silk or anything delicate like this. Just hang it out in the room. So I never use this two, never. Minimum I always use. And up here, delicates. Let's see this one. You realize it's less than an hour. Okay. When it's on delicates, this gentle tumble will be on. Gentle soothing, we showed you before. Outerwear, maybe your garments, a coat or something, it takes more than 2 hours. So, proofing, I'm not sure about this one, never used it. Okay, so just quickly show you. Oh, it doesn't even do anything. Let's go back to cotton. I don't know what's the difference between these two. Looks the same. Leave it on that one. Hand eye, machine eye. Okay. Then we press start, stop. Let's the magic happens. If you have a weather like this, summer comes, and normally leave it outside. But you know, UK sometimes gonna be raining for a few days. That's the reason about it. And I realized sometimes even if it says more than an hour, once you put it on, after a few minutes, the time changes. So don't worry about it. Just let the machine do the work. Generally speaking, I'm quite happy with my machine. It says eco-friendly. Okay, I believe you. So now finished, press power off. I will normally leave my clothing in it for a little bit longer because it's still quite warm. Okay, again. So what we do next is pull this drawer out. There isn't so much water today. Sometimes you can see we got loads depending on what kind of materials we've been washing. If I wash some towels, pure cotton, they're very absorbent, there'll be loads. Take them out. The next thing I normally do is use a little bit of this. And the door, let me show you. The first thing I wipe is around this kind of area. Give this a quick wipe. Don't have to be wet or anything. Secondly, most important is take this bit out. Wipe this. Then I wipe here. Put this back in. Close the door. Let it keep warm. After a few months or once a year, I normally do this. Open this. Let me show you from this angle. And we will take this out. You see, because this is like the hoover. They collect loads of dust, fluffs. Okay. This today has not been very dirty. They're like the Miele machine's filters. Let me show you quickly how do I clean this. I take this out, you see. This can be done very easily. Sorry about this, once put it too hard. Little fluffs like this. Give it a quick wash. And please do not use something like this. You'll poke a big hole. Just use your hand gently. Gently, says me. My paws. Now I'm gonna leave it in the sun till it dry up completely. Woohoo! So when I take it out, for example, this one is cotton, it's still a little bit wet, but that won't bother me. And this one almost dried up. I'm quite happy with it. So if you bought this machine, just try it out. You'll find the settings which suits you. When I finish all this, I prefer to leave my door open for a minimum 4 or 5 hours, sometimes overnight, just to let the machine dry up completely. This is my washing machine. My washing machine's door will always be open, and this one is open as well. When your filter dried up completely, simply put them together like this. That's how to clean Miele tumble dryer's filters. Push it in gently Job done. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.